Galbot wins gold at the World Human Robot Games 2025. Fully autonomous robot refines the future. Big news from Beijing. Galbot has just made history at the very first World Human Robot Games, taking home the gold medal in the robot skills competition. And it did it without any human help. Fully autonomous, no teleoperation, no strings attached. While many of the 22 teams relied on remote control, Galbot sailed through the prems, semis and finals in first place. The headline moment was the Pharmaceutical Sorting Challenge, where it scanned 6 tool shelves, picked the right medication out of hundreds and delivered 9 correct ones in just 10 minutes and 22 seconds. The score, 336 points, leaving second place trailing by a huge 160-point margin. This wasn't just a flashy demo. Galbot's already hard at work in over 10 smart pharmaceuticals across Beijing, with plans to roll out more than 100 by the end of the year. So yes, it's already handling our prescriptions while the rest of us are still fumbling with self-checkout machines. The secret behind its success is Galbot's clever sim-to-real training method. Massive synthetic data practice, then fine-tuned in the real world. That means it learns faster, costs less and adapts better. So from competition floor to pharmacy counters, Galbot isn't just winning medals, it's redefining what robots can do in the real world. And if this is the starting line, the future of human robotics just got a whole lot more interesting. And that's your robot news for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.